Hello, people. Okay. Hello, hello. Let me... Oh, wait a second. Alors. Okay. Should be good. The volume is so high. Sorry, I just saw a comment. First, hey, Tadel, how are you? How are you? Is the volume alright? I feel like it might be a bit high, but should be alright. Oh, wait, let me... close this. Snapchat. Okay. And... Oh. One last thing. Okay. Yeah, so here we go. Here we go, today. Volume is good, I think. Great, thanks. Okay, so today is a good day. It's gonna be a small day, also. I should have started the stream way earlier. But yeah, I take really too much time to eat. So much that I only have 1 meal per day. Anyway, what we have to do? Last time we were generating dungeons, right? So if we run this, for example, we have poo, branches and stuff, and you know, it's looking kind of fine. Kind of. Yeah, okay, it can be. Maybe it could be better, right? But yeah. Oh. Yeah. 1 meal per day. Starts 9 a.m. ends 7 p.m. I mean, it's like 10 p.m. right now. So more like until 7 until 10 p.m. Anyways, it's complicated. I think I should optimize it in, like, maybe I should just get some pasta or something instead of cooking like vegetables and stuff. You know, it's like healthy, but yeah. Because there's a big wait time too, right? But pasta is like fast to prepare. So yeah, maybe I should just go pasta during the weekend. Anyway, we have things. We have things. Eating healthy is pretty expensive. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but I also eat a lot. And if like 1 meal is worth 2 meals, then, you know, we can try to optimize things. Yeah, I really want to optimize things a lot. I'm a programmer. Can you believe that? But yeah. One thing I recommend is sweet potatoes. If you have sweet potatoes, you can do anything. You can... Basically, step 1, boil sweet potatoes. Step 2, add whatever you want and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. You can add like 5 onions, you can add like carrots, you can radish, like, I don't know, whatever. It's gonna be good. If you have at least 1 sweet potato, everything's gonna be good. I tried sweet potatoes, but I'm not used to the sweetness. Oh yeah, I see. I really love sweet things. That's why. And like, for example, if you add like eggs too, like eating your eggs with like the the water with the sweet potato. It's like nice. Or whatever, like really you can add whatever. Well, for me, right? Maybe, you're not used to the sweetness, so maybe it's a bit different, right? But yeah. Yeah, this is actually so complicated. Like, as a player, how would I look at things? I mean, this is great, I like that. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, my algorithm is just so... I love it so much. Anyway, now we have to actually do stuff and not just kiss my feet. We're gonna implement... So we have the shop room, for example. We have battle. Maybe I should implement money. What are we looking at? Oh, you mean this? Like, what is this? Okay, so basically, in a roguelike, well, in a deck builder roguelike at least, you have like, well, basically you go from event to event, from battle to battle, from, stuff to stuff. And this is a graph that represents the different events. So this is generated. Like you can create a new, like, I can save it ahead of time, but this is also generated at runtime. And it's also like the graph is a nice way to see like directly what this is about. And you can see that basically we start the game here. Then we have a battle. Then we have a branch, so we can decide where to go. So we can go, for example, at the bottom, continue here. We have a battle, we have a battle. We can remove a card from our deck. We can duplicate a card from our deck. Then we can access the shop and like buy new cards, for example, or stuff like that. Then you have a battle. Then you can remove a card, battle, and then you have the end. And yeah, this is basically what it's about. And yesterday I just finished the algorithm to generate branches. And what's really nice what's really crazy with this algorithm, is that basically you can add some constraints and it's going to respect the constraints as much as it can. So for example, you have 1 battle, 2 battle, 3 battles, right? You have 3 battles in this branch, right? Here. But the thing is, if you decide to take the other branch instead, like this one, then there are also going to be 3 battles, exactly 1, 2, and 3. And same for the amount of events. You have 1 event, 1 event, 1 shop, 2 events, 3 events, 3 events, and 1 shop. And if you look up, you have 1 event, 2 events, 3 events. Wait, did I miss something? Oh no, yeah, because the shop can be replaced by an event, so 4 events here. And if you look at this branch, that is like parallel to this one, then you have 1 battle. Oh, right. You have 1 battle, 1 battle, and 1 shop, 1 event, and 2 events. So it's like always balanced. So the goal is to, for the player to actually, have different choices, but that they matter, right? So like you're not going to have the same rooms, for example. You're always going to have a small difference, but it's always going to be like the same amount of battles and the same amount of events. It's going, that's not going to be like 1 branch that is like really good and one that is full of battles, for example. It's always going to be balanced. And yeah, same if you look at here, like you have another branch here. You can choose up or bottom. And in both cases, you have 1 battle, 1 event, 1 event. Right? It's just that the order is different. And like the event itself is different too, right? You have a different thing inside. Nice. Thanks. But yeah, I'm really proud of my algorithm. Like really, like this is crazy. And this is so fast too, right? I can just click and like, you know, like less than like 10 milliseconds, I guess. I have like my new menu terrain, menu layout. So yeah, anyways. I feel like I should make a shop or something. Really. Well, the money, I should take care of the money part of the things. Yeah, and we have a few problems because I don't have enough events so it generates things correctly. Because I have like some criteria. For example, you can't have the same event just after the other, right? Like for example, if we have if you have a pick cards room event, then you're not going to have the same event after or before, like just after or just before. Like you have some distance required, some minimum distance to make it a bit more diverse. So yeah, that's why I'm really proud of my algorithm. And I guess we have two big things to do. We have maybe money and that kind of stuff, but we also need to show a map to the player about, well, it's a map, like to decide where the player is going to go, right? That should be good. That would be good. And the problem is that I don't have textures. Anyway, so let's start with, actually, let's open the terminal. Oh. Okay, I've pushed everything, so that's good. Let's add money then. Player data script. All right, we have basically the player directly is like just a single dictionary, maybe like data, runtime, save player data. So yeah, everything is in the data dictionary already. So should I just put something in the dictionary or? Yeah, I guess for convenience maybe. So like we can have give, well, adds money, for example, and gets money. Gets money. And we're gonna have get something like this money. I'm not sure about what to think about it, but yeah, I guess I'm not sure about whether I want it to be in the player data script or not. Do I? Because like it might be only quest related. Like you might. Like is the money always going to be attached to the player, or is it only going to be, you know, for the duration of the quest, basically? That's my question right now. And I guess in roguelikes, you want it to be like only for the duration of the quest, right? So, current dungeon layout, current room. We could have like a current dungeon data, something like that. So it's a quest, it's quest. Dungeon and quest are the same things. Are they? Yeah, they are. Kind of. Money. Wait. Yeah, should I really add money to this? Because instead of money, maybe we can just have materials. Yeah, okay, so we gain materials by defeating monsters, for example. Then we can sell those materials at the shop. Or you can also decide to craft things at the end if you keep the materials. I don't know. I don't know, really. Maybe you can decide to start a quest with money, but if you lose, then you lose all your money. So that might not be a good strategy. So you might want to reduce your losses. Or maybe you can have like an inventory, like in Darkest Dungeon, with a maximum amount of space. And like money takes like a slot, takes up a slot, so you don't want to take money. So that might not be a strict rule to take money or not, to start with money or not. Well, yeah, to have your money be permanent or not. Why does it always need to be gold coins? Would be more fun just for once. The currency was liters of slime or something. Yeah. Yeah, it could be something like that. Yeah, I was thinking, that's why I was also thinking about materials, right? Like maybe you can earn materials that you can use like to craft new things. But the thing is, right now I'm thinking about the shop, right? And you want a shop to be able to buy new cars and have like an impact in deck building. So yeah, I guess we can have like a different currency too. So liters of slime. um, we do have slimes, but I don't know. I guess I guess it's like really understandable what gold is, right? If you put liters of slime, people are just going to like intuitively they won't really understand what this is for, right? I think it could be like we could have a different currency like this, as long as we don't have like too many items and stuff. I don't know. I really have to think about this money thing though. Well, hmm. I guess you have crystals in games too. That's kind of really often used as a currency. Yeah, crystals can be kind of nice actually. You have a slime drying service which takes a cut and gives you an equivalent of 3D printer filament, so you can craft things. Definitely too complex. mm. But yeah, crystals. I do like crystals. But yeah, it's a question. Okay, money. What do I do with money? Let me open a document, maybe. I don't really want to make a document for this, but I feel like I have to. I kind of have to, right? If we're talking about money, I feel like I might. Basically, right now, I mostly want to progress on the game, and I'm not sure this is like needed. Because again, knowing that the demo is supposed to be in 20 days. Oh shit. 20 in game. So let's just remove What? Oh, right, never mind. Yeah, let's just remove all this. Or maybe, wait. Actually, maybe that can be... So we have like the whole game design here. So maybe I just want to put money in here. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this is... Okay. So money, money, money. Crystals, for example. So we have different options. Let me zoom. And we have basically one. Well, one, yeah. You start the quest with a constant amount of money. You earn... Well, yeah. How to get money. So you have two different things. One, you earn money automatically at the end of battles, or you, well, at the end of battles, you gain your own materials that can be used for crafting. You can also sell those materials for money at the shop. Okay, so basically that's how we can earn, like two different ways to earn money, I would say. That is like dependent on battles. I definitely want to be able to... I actually want to go for the material thing. I think this is the best. But I won't be able to implement the crafting aspect of the game before the demo anyways. So I'm probably going to, you know, like it's kind of useless to add materials if we're not using them. So I'm probably going to go with the first for now, and then move to this when I have time, if I continue the game in the future. I accidentally pressed the lock button on my computer, which I had set up to hibernate instead. For 3 years I've been doing Windows key plus R equals shutdown H to hibernate, when I could have just pressed one button. Oh. Wait. The lock button. Yeah, it's like Windows L, right? To lock. Right? Wait a second. Okay. Oh, I guess there's like a specific button for that? For you? I don't think I have this one. Wait, actually, maybe... Oh, I think I do have this one on the keyboard of my laptop. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, I do. Maybe. Yeah. I probably do. Anyway. So... I guess Windows L is like to lock, not to hibernate. So yeah, then we have how to get money, and then we have how to... Well, how is money managed, maybe? So first option is you start the quest with a constant amount of money that can be zero, potentially. It could be zero. And then you... well, at the start of a quest, your money is reset. And then you earn money through battles. Okay. And the second is well, you earn money through battles, and what happens with the amount of money at the end? At the end of a battle, at the end of a quest, money is like converted or something. Money is converted into XP, for example. Or I don't know. I have a Logitech keyboard and I can reassign certain buttons to do something else. Oh, that's nice. And okay, and the other thing is you keep money at the end of... Oh, I should have started with that. You don't keep money at the end of a quest. At the start of a quest, your money is reset. You earn money through battles. And then you keep money at the end of a quest. And you can use that money. Can you? You can decide the amount of money you want. Well, you start a quest with, but you lose it if you lose the quest, basically. What do you think? That could be like a nice way to, you know, for players that are a bit worse, we could say. That could be a nice way to succeed more battles, succeed more, well, have more chances to win. Maybe. I don't think money actually matters this much. So it's like a bet. It's not really a bet, because the bet is about chance, right? In this case, it's more like if it's a risk that you have to take. Yeah. Well, you can say it's betting in that way. Could be a bet for a skill game also. A bet for a skill game. Yeah, I think you have the idea down pretty well. Like, basically, if you finish quests easily, then you don't need to get money in, right? But if it's a bit difficult, then you might want to bring some money to make things easier, like at the shop, right? If you reach the shop. But then you also have the risk of losing everything if you lose. I bet I'm better at playing darts, for example. Let's put money on it. That would be like the opposite. It's like, I bet I can do this quest. That's actually the opposite. Well, if you can't do this quest, then it's like useless to bring some money in, right? Because money only helps you to succeed even more. If you can win without spending this money, then you don't have to take it in the first place, right? But you decide the amount of money you start a quest with. Yeah, you do. But like, if you succeed the quest easily, then you're just not gonna bring any money with you, right? Well, that's how I would do things, but you know, like as a player, like if you were the one playing the game, I don't know what your strategy would be. So like, I'm asking as a player, what would you do? I don't think like there's a right or wrong way, kind of, but so you have to spend money to start the quest. Yeah, I would say so. Oh, it's not really about spending; it's about keeping it in the inventory to use it at the shop potentially. So it's a potential, like you are potentially going to use it. Hmm. Yeah. I was thinking about like instead of adding new cards, maybe I want to like reduce the cost, for example. That could be an idea. If you don't want it to feel like gambling, then it's special attention. I don't think it's gambling at all. That's what I don't understand with what you say. Like gambling is you bet money to get more money, right? Like basically, yeah, if you bet money, then the goal is to get more of what you just spent, right? It's not what this is about. It's about finishing a quest. You didn't want popularity? What do you mean by popularity? Wait, is that like... I mean, I know it's the basic meaning of popularity, but I'm not sure I know what you're talking about. In text, sugar, doctor offered it. What? What are you talking about? I don't understand. I'm lost. Oh, deleted by moderator. Wait. Oh! My bad. Oh, yeah, my bad. I just removed it. Yeah, that was like automatic. I didn't even read the whole thing. My bad. Yeah, I mean, maybe I want a bit of popularity. But yeah, what like to come back to gambling, to gambling, like what do you like? Basically, what I'm gonna write what I'm thinking. Maybe it's gonna be a bit better. So basically, you start with no money. You earn money through battles. You can buy cards or positive effects at the shop. Okay? This is like one way to do things. But then you can start with some money if you want. And that way, it makes it easier to buy positive effects at the shop. In any case, if you lose during the quest, you lose the amount of money you had at the time. Right? So if you think you can finish the quest easily, like I wouldn't want to risk my money on stuff I don't know, on unknowns. So I wouldn't like take money by default. But then I guess you could take money. It is then like in Diablo when you die, you drop the gold you had with you. Yeah, this is like that. Yeah, that's that. You can't get it back. Like I guess in Minecraft you have kind of the same. But you know, in Minecraft you can get back the stuff you lost, right, when you died. In that case you wouldn't be able to, you know, get it back, right? I guess in Diablo it's like maybe the same. But yeah, you lose the stuff you had with you. Okay, now it makes sense. Oh, okay. Maybe there was some misunderstanding about this. Yeah, this is like that. So like the goal, I mean, if you finish the quest, maybe you're gonna get more money, right? But it's not about, you know, it's like not doubling the amount of money, for example. It's not the more money you bring with you, the more you're gonna get, because the shop is gonna have limited options too, right? So like even if you take like 1,000 gold with you, like you're not going to be able to use everything. So and like it's a way to help players that are a bit bad at the game get further in the quest. But players that are good don't really need that. And maybe they're going to use the money for something else, like for the town, to improve buildings or stuff like that. I don't have that mechanic at all right now, but this is in concept. Like experience, maybe. Maybe not the experience. But yeah, maybe you want to like level up some characters with that money, or I don't know. Like decoration, you can use that for decoration, or to unlock like a new place. I don't know. That's the idea. Right, it's your pocket change. Yeah, it's your pocket change. You don't need to spend it while doing the quest, right? Yeah, you don't need to. You can, but you don't need to. You can spend it on the shop if you want, but yeah. I thought the money was to start the quest. No. You write money you start a quest with. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. I see what you mean. Where was it? Money you start. Yeah, because you start a quest with money, right? You carry money when you start the quest. It is what I meant. Can decide the amount of money to bring with you on a quest. But you lose it if you lose the quest. Basically, that's it, right? Basically, that's what I meant. Okay. I really like this. But I feel like it's not going to be a roguelike anymore. But I mean, it doesn't really matter, right? Maybe I don't need it to be... like the genre is like flexible, right? A bit. Like it's a roguelite. Well, it was already a roguelite. So yeah. Like Darkest Dungeon is like a rogue... It's considered to be a roguelike. But yeah. Like you can bring items with you at the start of a quest. So I'm probably going to go with that. So this. And this one is in blue, and I'm going to add a comment. Probably the best. But no time to implement it for the demo. And this is gonna be implemented first for the demo. And it's more like, do you keep money? At the end. Stuff like that, yeah. Okay, that makes things a bit better. So you're going to have the money with you, and the total amount of money. Maybe. Oh, that would mean I need like a panel. Potentially. To bring like items with me. Oh, I mean, I guess I already have to make my deck, right? Yeah, but it's like a bit different though, isn't it? Anyway. Add permanent. Yeah, we can have this. Let's equal right. More something like this, I guess. Yeah, I need like a class maybe for quest data or something like that, I don't know. So I'm gonna get... Yeah, what is data? It's a dictionary. That sucks. Yeah, I guess I want string names ideally. So let's get some money. And the default is gonna be 0. It's gonna be an integer. Plus equal added money. Do I want a float instead? I guess an integer is fine. And then we assign again. Okay. Okay. Maybe I should like set it instead. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna set it. Like this. Then I'm just gonna... Money. Gets permanent money plus added money. That way I don't have to have the string name multiple times. What's the deal? Float is converting into what? Oh, right. Okay. So we have this and then maybe quest data. All dungeons data. Current dungeon layout. Yeah, so this is a current thing, right? So I actually already have my quest data right now. I just need to put it into a specific class. I don't know. My code is such a... Yeah. Okay, if I type quest... Quest view. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the view. I don't need this. Play quest. Quest. Okay, here, quest gameplay. Oh, this is actually fine. Yeah, okay, this is good. So we're gonna have quest data, I guess. Quest player data. And let's just add a short description. The data of the player instantiated, present for a quest. Well, during a quest. During? Oh, alive for the duration of a quest. Yeah, okay, this is fine. Okay. Then we have this. Maybe. Probably. Then we have current money. I mean, it's basically just money, right? Room, money, dungeon layout. Yeah, current money is fine. 0 by default. We don't need the dictionary for that, really. Probably. Because I haven't saved this currently, right? So you can't stop a quest in the middle of it for now. I guess ideally that would be great. But yeah, this is not the case for now. Okay, then I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna have export quest player data. Null by default, maybe. On layout generated. I just remove this. Hey, a lot of heroes. Great. So start quest. Okay, I guess this is where I want things to be. So when we start a quest, I'm just gonna do a quest player data.new. Right? Makes sense. And then I'm gonna set a lot of things. I guess I actually want this code to be in the quest player data, maybe. Because this is like links to the quest, right? But anyway. Yeah, definitely. This is definitely linked to the quest. Yeah. And there are just so many things here. Yeah, let me just change. Got to call and now I got to go. Catch you later. Bye bye. See you. Thanks for joining. Okay, here we go. So when was I even using this? Oh, here. Player data dots. Quest. Something like this. Enter next room. Then we have the enter next room from exit, maybe. Like here. Quest player data. Yeah, that should be fine. I think like I should probably move a few other things, but this is, you know, maybe good enough for now. Like the goal was not to move things, right? Okay, anyways. So we have this. We have the amount of money. Good. Now I need a shop, and I need to increase that money when... Oh, so this is gonna be easy, actually. Is it? Defaults. Wait. It was generated battle. Like, gen battle? When I win a battle, I run this, basically. I want to earn money when I do that. I guess it should be a warning, not an error. But anyways. So my question is, when should I add money? I think I should add money like directly. Default story, battle end event. I think that could be nice. I think that can be fine. And on win, I can create a new node that is going to be give money basically. So what was this? Oh. Player data of data. Oh, data of data. And so here. Yeah, this is kind of a bad way, a bad place. This is fine. So player money. Player add money maybe. Okay. Characters. What about so trigger player? Here we go. So we have this. We have the player, right? Oh, right. We have the player, but we need. Okay, never mind. It's like player data dot quest player data dot money plus equal added money, which is gonna be like maybe, you know, maybe we can give like 5. 5 is fine. Then maybe, like by default we can say 5, or like we can have a range. I mean, then we have the max. So we can have like from 4 to 6, or we can even like compute based on the enemies, like the difficulty. We could have something like this. Or we could like retrieve the reward from the battle, the room itself, the room data itself. But anyway, we have stuff. I in range from the minimum to the max. To the max. Okay. Do I want to code a function for that? Because I might want to save it potentially, right? I do think I do want to save it. Like, give money. Give money? Oh. Added money. Grant money plus equal added money. Here we go. Here we go. Then we can just remove all of this. And it should be fine. And we should earn money by the end of it. Okay, good. I should earn that money even when I skip, I guess, the battle. Because it should run this. And then we have the shop. And again, but I guess like outside of the shop, we also have the pick cards to implement. Like picking a card between 3 cards. I actually already have this, but it's not like a specific scene, so I'm not really sure. I think it should be like a specific scene. Should it? Hmm. Let me think a little. Because right now it doesn't feel like a deck builder a lot because let me actually run the graph. So when are going to be my opportunities to modify my deck? That's the question. Let's say I have this. So I start the game with a few cards that I've selected already. Battle. 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 Duplicate. Okay, I can duplicate a card. I can remove a card. Battle. Remove. Wait, I'm removing so many cards. Pick cards. I feel like this should be like a lot more frequent. Like maybe at the end of every battle, actually, I should have this. I don't know. Or like I should have a big thing at the start of the game. Like, you know, in Hearthstone, you had a way to select like your deck based on random cards you had. Well, not had, but yeah. Yeah, maybe I can have something like Hearthstone. That was good. Hearthstone Roguelike. From around. Oh. No. Okay. So. Oh no, he's running already. Hearthstone Roguelike into a full game. What? What? That's not Hearthstone, right? That's not Hearthstone. Oh, okay, yeah, the mechanics are kind of really similar. I made my own Hearthstone roguelike. Okay. ちょっと前にやってたんだけど、ログライクモードみたい。Okay, my glass of water almost fell over, but I'm just too good. I'm just too good. Wait 2 seconds. Well, actually, a lot of water just. Well, it still fell, but that's fine. Okay, so roguelike mode. The game. Okay, please. Yeah, he's not showing the cards he's starting with. Again. Standard. Oh, okay, this is good. This is good. Wait, this is good. Nihonjin no kata. So yeah, you can wait, he's closing the game. What the? Guess wait. Wait, he's building a deck, right? Wait, what? That's not how it's supposed to be, is it? Wait, that's not how... What? You're not supposed to do that, are you? Oh, wait. This, what is this? Wait, you, shut. You start to battle with this. What about, how do you deck building? Well, basically I remember how it was, but yeah. Doom Spire. Oh, Spire. They're taking the same thing. Yeah, but okay. How? Choose your starting hand. Wait, what? Starting hand? Okay. Yeah, so basically I want to build the deck little by little. So the thing is, what are we gonna have? The thing is, we have a bunch of permanent cards, right? But when we start a new battle, I want those cards to be randomized, and I want the player to be able to build a deck by picking, like, you know, basically we're having a choice, like, Basically you pick one card among 3 cards, and then you repeat that until you have a deck. That's what I wanted to do. That way, you know, it's like easy to prevent bad things, I guess. That means I need a new panel for that. I mean, this should be easy, simple. Well, possible. So okay, I added money, right? Okay, you know what? Let me create a few backlog, a few tasks about it. I need to rate it. Add money for quests. Okay, then you have add shop event. Then we have add money for quests. Then we have add deck building. Well, add deck creation random. Deck creation at the start of a game, of a quest. Because that's like the important thing, because we need like a way to, you know, have like deck building. It's like the deck builders fast, right? So yeah, this is important. I guess it means it's kind of useless to have your, well, yeah, I don't know. No, should be fine. So add money for quest 210. Oh. Okay. Wait, did I add something I didn't want to add? Yeah. That should be good. 210 money added, we can say. Then we have 212, that is like the most important, maybe. Okay, so let's do something with this. Card gameplay, game dungeon. Game dungeon? It's not really about the dungeon. So we have the deck editor here. So maybe we can add a new panel. Not deck editor, but deck creation panel. How can you call that? Deck creation panel, roguelike synonym. Card drafting. Oh, wait. 3 cards after a battle. Drafting. No. Build screen. Deck construction panel. Yeah, it could be nice. Construction. Yeah, okay. Deck editor panel. So right now we have this, right? But if we remove the characters and stuff, well, we can have something pretty similar. So deck editor panel. Wait. So this. I'm just gonna copy this for now. Deck construction panel. Or like creation. Okay. Yeah. So now I can potentially... I want to keep this, but I want to remove what's on the right side. So like I can remove this. I can remove everything here, really. Okay, good. So then I have my deck. I have like a few characters at the top. I can't save and confirm. Yeah, this doesn't exist. I guess I can just sort. This is fine. Okay, what happens? Yeah, this is kind of alright. Probably. I'm just gonna remove this. And create a new script. Deck construction panel. Oh yeah, this is actually fine, because when I want to add a new card to the deck, I need to be able to see all of my current cards, I guess, maybe? Probably? So yeah. Oh hey, I got inspired by Japan and made onigiri today. It was delicious, oh! Glad you liked it. Yeah, they have like some weird onigiris over here, like they have some onigiris with like Nutella inside. Wait. Onigiri Nutella. Maybe not like Nutella, but yeah. Yeah. I don't remember, but yeah, they have some weird things. What was it? It was like as a dessert. Oh, mine was just smoked salmon. Oh, I love it. I love smoked salmon onigiris. Yeah, you have good taste. You have good taste. I ate that a lot when I was in university, actually. In the 7-Eleven. We had a McDonald's in the university, like inside the university we had a McDonald's. That was crazy. So wait, if I run this, it should just be bullshit. Just be bad. What is this? Inventory character. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I need to remove this. One day I'll go to Japan and have some good food. Be careful about the food, but yeah. there are definitely different kinds of food. Like, do you mean good food or good food? That's totally different. The second one, okay. This kind. What is this thing? Oh, right, okay, I remember now. I can just remove everything. All units. Deck cards, wood. And suggested cards, wood. Okay. So, yeah. Should be pretty straightforward from that point. But yeah, what do I have? I love, there's like Katsu. Did you figure out the graph Oh man. The graph generation. Just at the beginning of the stream, I was kissing my feet, my own feet, because of how good it was. Okay, let me show you. I have to, wait, first let me see if like there is like some error or something here. Yeah, I mean, of course there is. Okay, let's skip this. And look at this. But yeah, food in Japan, I just love katsu, katsukare, katsudon, katsu, whatever. And yeah, basically I can generate. And look at this. It's like a graph, like the branches are not, you know, they're like a bit complex, right? Right? It's like not a simple branch and like forward. And the thing is, if you look at this branch, for example, like this, those nodes and those nodes, you have the same amount of battles and the same amount of events. So you have one battle, two battles, one event, and you have one event, one battle, one battle. And the thing is, so this is equal, right? In like difficulty, like this is balanced, is what I mean. And then if you look at this, for example, right? You have this branch that can go down like this, or that can also go up like this, and you're going to have the same. So you have one event, one shop, one event, two battles. So two battles, three events, you could say. And if you look at down here, you have two battles, and one, two, wait, 1, 2, 3, two battles, 1, two battles, 1, 2. Okay, I guess there is a branch. That wasn't supposed how it... It wasn't supposed to be like that. Wait. Wait, what? Oh, no, never mind, because... Okay, okay. No, this is good. Okay, yeah, the upper branch is actually just those 4 nodes, right? So this is actually fine. This is 2 battles and 2 events, and this is 2 events and 2 battles. So this is balanced, right? And like everything, like if you go down here, and this is gonna be the same. So like you have, for example, this, and like they join on this node, right? They fuse there. If you look here, you have 1 battle and 3 events. And if you look up, you have... The branch can be discarded, right? It's not accounted for. But you have a 1 battle and 3 events. Nice. We're manually making paths. No, 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 we are not. Look at this. We can just generate. And everything is balanced already. Like this branch, for example, you can go up and down, but in both cases you have 1, 2 battles, 1, 2 battles, and 1 event. And the event is going to be different. So there is like also a decision-making process to take, right? Like it actually matters what you want. It's balanced and it has like some importance. Like choices matter. So that's why I'm like really... You know, it's like not trivial. It's not trivial, it's not a trivial decision. But it matters. And it's different. And it's balanced. And yeah, I'm just really hyped up with this. And the same here, right? You have like another branch like there. And you have 2 events and 2 events. But the events are different, right? Here you can duplicate a card. Here you can remove a card. And it's like the same with this branch. You can go up and down, right? And you fuse here. So you have 2 events, 1 battle. And you have 1 battle. And in any case, you have 2 events. This is always balanced. This is incredible. This is crazy. I love it so much. And whatever, like you can generate a lot, right? And the thing is with the generation, dungeon generate, yeah, let me, I don't remember what it was, but the most craziest thing also is, you know, like the branches look a bit random, right? But there is actually some logic to them. Planes. Enemy. Wait. Planes dungeon blue. Not at all. Okay, this one. So yeah, the thing is, every branch is going to have... they're never going to follow each other, right? You're never going to have 2 branches consecutively. You're always going to have like an event or a battle in between, like for example, between those branches, you're going to have some stuff. Same here, right? You have 1 branch here, you have 1 branch here, but in the middle you have a battle. And I can also like decide the amount of branches very easily. As you can see, like I can remove, like I can put only 1 branch if I want. So I'm going to only have 1 branch here every time, right? I can put even more branches if I want, like this. And I can like increase the amount of rooms, of like battles I want, events I want. Look at this. I can have this. It just looks a bit weird, I guess. Like the, you know, the position of the nodes themselves are not ideal. But yeah, this is like I can generate like an infinite amount of nodes almost, maybe not infinite, but you know, like a lot of nodes, and I can generate branches, and everything, every time, every different branch is going to have a balanced, well, it's going to be balanced with each other. So if I want 10 battles in total and like 7 events, I can modify this. What does balanced mean in the graph? It means you have, no matter the branch, well, no matter the choice you take, there's going to be the same amount of battles and the same amount of events. That's what it means. And you can have this. So like, for example, here, you have a branch, right? But no matter what you take, like it's going to fuse here, but you're going to have 1 event, 2 events, 1 battle, 3 events, 4 events, 2 battles, 3 battles. Wait, 4 battles, right? Yeah, 4 battles, and I forgot, right? But at the bottom, if you decide to go to the bottom, then you have the same. You have 1 battle, 2 battles, 1 event, 2 events, 3 battles, 3 events, 4 battles, 5 events, I think. So this is like the same amount of events and battles, no matter the direction you take. But the order is different, and it's never going to be the same events either. Like even with a very simple branch, like if I decide to change it like this, maybe 3 battles and 4 events in total. Yeah, like this, right? You have 1 battle and 2 events in both cases, but in this one you can duplicate and pick a card, and this one you can remove a card and pick a card. But, you know, like the duplicate and the remove events are different. So choices actually matter. You know, it's not only the order, like the content is different every time. Like you can remove and duplicate, or you can remove and remove again. It's like different. You can pick and have a battle, or you can have a battle and remove a card. This choice will have consequences. This choice will have consequences, exactly. Yeah. So it's balanced in this way, always, always balanced. And I really like how, even if you have like a lot of branches, it's still going to be balanced, and it's still going to, well, branches are not trivial. They're not trivial. Like you have, like for example, you can start a branch. Wait, do I have an example? Yeah, you can start a branch here, in here, right? But it's not going to merge into the same branch. It's going to merge into another branch. That's going to merge into another branch. That's going to merge into this. That's in the end going to, you know, it's going in some places, right? It's not like that's linear. You know, it's like linear, but, well, it's not linear. I mean, I guess the problem is that it's a bit difficult to display. Like I have to update my algorithm if I want to show it to the player, but yeah. And like here we have 1 event, 1 battle, 1 battle, 1 event. And the events are different. This is... I'm just so happy with that. But yeah. That's how it is. And I guess for now, I'm keeping only like 4 different paths. Like only 3 branches. But also, like in total, it's going to be a short quest with 5 battles and 4 events. No matter the direction you take, there's always going to be 5 battles and 4 events. So like we can count. 1 battle, Okay, when branches don't matter, right? So 2 battles, 1 event, 2 events, 3 events, 3 battles, 4 events, 4 battles, 5 battles, and this is the end. And as you can see, we have 5 battles and 4 events. So you can really decide the difficulty of the thing, of the quest. And you can like control things like really well. The only problem right now is that events might not be spread out correctly, you could say. But that's something that can be fixed. It's something more to implement, I would say. Well, yeah. So yeah, really, really glad. What was I doing? I was making this. Okay, so I have to deck characters. Suggested cards. Going to be. Very nice, yeah. Yeah, I could talk about it like forever, but maybe it's better if I don't. I mean, I could like make a video about it actually. I could make a video about it. Because I didn't even know how to... You know, what to look on Google to find this algorithm. And if it's like hyping me, then it might hype other people. What do you think? Go for it. Got it. I'm gonna add a to-do somewhere. To-do, make video on generation algorithm. It's going to be lost in time, but I hope you will remind me for that. I'm probably going to make it after the Steam festival, probably. Okay, so we have this and we have nothing. We have no card. That makes sense. So now I want to suggest new cards, for example. Here we go. And I'm going to add a child. I don't really know what this is, actually. Okay, here. So reload all the cards. No. Card ID. Get permanent cards. Okay, I'm gonna try to make things good this time. Okay, let's do this. So we're gonna have something like available cards. Oh, yeah. That's an array of... I don't know what this is, actually. I mean, I guess it's an array. And we're going to put, like, the cards from the player. I'm going to remove this. Right? All cards view. So suggested. We can clear. That's clear? Wait. Oh, never mind. Wait, you can actually do that. Let's have this. Ooh. So suggested card views can replace. Card root I can replace. I'm gonna have this. So this is already taken care of. New old cards, right. Create unlimited card. Okay. So this is an array. And we're gonna take like random for I in range and the choices. That is going to be like 3 by default. And we're gonna just pick a random one and remove it. Okay, this is not optimized. Maybe... Actually, maybe I want like a random number generator. Let me have one. Like this. And I'm going to random I range. So 2 is like, is it included? Inclusive, yeah. So from 0 to this dot size -1 index. I guess I don't want the cards to be the same though, right? I mean, it's supposed to be strings, right? Like string name. Wait. Like card ID. Then you have index. Then I can remove at index. Not really a remove at, but I mean, I want to duplicate the array, right? Yeah. Do I? Maybe I can like just re-roll instead. Because I have to... Yeah, I'm just gonna reroll. Because there might be like some conditions, like for some cards I might need 3 of them max. For some it might be 1. That kind of stuff, right? I need things to be a bit balanced. So... So if I could have a while is card valid. And while this is not valid, I'm just gonna reroll. Card index. Card ID. Do I really need the card ID? I don't really need it, right? Yeah. Anyway. So we have this. And we can remove it if this is valid. And then we can have is card good suggestion with this, I guess. And if, well, this is just equal. Built in. Right. Okay, good. Not found. Yeah, it is not indeed. Card ID, string name. Let's return true by default. What is... What? Oh, right, this. So... Suggested. I mean, I can just add, right? I can just remove this. And then I can push back this. Remove that. Yeah, it's just a remove. Oh, wait, it's actually a string name, right? It's an ID. Oh, right. Card data. Yeah, so I guess I can... Yeah, I can remove this. I can have like card ID. I wanna have this to show that it's a string. That's it. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I guess I have to keep it anyways in memory. Because I'm gonna remove it. And create unlimited card is not good. So let me just take what this was. This. Let me not create an unlimited one. When I try to reload deck panel, what do I do? Oh, I already have the dictionary actually. Okay, my bad. Add deck card. Yeah, but I create this. Okay. Create card view. I guess that can be the same class. It's fine. It's packed scene. I mean, I guess I can remove it at the end. That's not a problem. Root panel. Set data from the card data. It's like a dictionary. And then you have on right click and on dropped. So I'm just gonna remove this for now. Create a suggested card view. We could have. I can remove this, I suppose. Set data, this is already done too. Okay. Find, oh, I already have this actually, the find card data, that's good. Okay, should be good. Like, like editor card view. Okay. Okay, and now it might be good. I feel like this is going to crash definitely, but but this might also be good. Please. Okay, this is actually good. Okay, and yeah, I can drag the cards for some reason, but this is good. Now we just need to have them act like buttons. So I can have... Can I? On left... Okay, I don't. On click, I think. Pluggable. On clicked, I do have this. On clicked. On suggested card clicked. Here we go. And maybe I want to bind. I want to bind the card view. So this card is clicked. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just suggest new cards instead. So, all right. Get suggestible cards, maybe. That makes sense to me. If it makes sense to me, it's fine. Get all suggestible cards, let's say. And we have the same here. And every time it's going to be different cards. Maybe not, actually. Oh. Out of bounds. What? 0? Oh, because I'm removing the cards every time. Yeah, that's the problem, I suppose. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't remove. Well, actually, I should remove them. No, never mind, I should not remove them. So. Okay. Yeah, let's not remove them. Instead, we're just gonna reroll. That reminds me of like what my teacher was doing in high school. It was so bad. So what I want is for card view in, well, suggested card view in this. If card view is, if this dot card view dot model gets But I can't get it. How is it possible? Data? Oh, data? Oh, right. Oh no. Oh no. That makes sense though. Name. I don't like that. I thought ID. Give me an ID. Maybe I just want the model, actually. Like, I want to add a reference to the model somewhere. Let's just add a get ID, I suppose. Little card instance. Spell card battle instance. Yeah, ID should be fine. So I'm gonna get the ID, and if this is equal to the ID of the card, then I'm going to return false. That's it. So it's like find if, basically. So okay, we have this. Okay, we have this. Is it working? It seems to be working. We have different cards every time. Even if they have like the same texture, I suppose. And I guess we can also like put a breakpoint to ensure that. Okay, yeah. And then it's still different. So this is good. We should probably put like a limit, right? Just in case. So maybe 1000. And this is higher than 0. You know, we don't want infinite loops, like if the player just removes stuff, I guess. Like, doesn't have enough cards. Like in specific cases, I suppose. Anyway. So we have this. And if limit equals 0, let's push an error. Could not generate different cards, maybe? Okay, and yes, the other one is also the deck that the player has. I want to modify the deck that the player has. So like deck card views. Let's put like something empty by default. Just, you know, to be sure. And I guess I want to create a new card. Create deck card view, maybe. And I can have like add deck card. So it could be something like this. And then we save to do save to player. Well, something like this. In player data. So add deck card. When I click on this, I'm going to add this card view. Maybe I should just, maybe it's just data? Yeah, it's data? Can I, oh, right, wait, card view, data? Yeah. Should be good. I'm not sure if I should like create a new card entirely, but yeah, we can do that, right? And it's not doing anything. Oh, right. Okay, it's because it's setting here. Deck cards. Oh. Wait. Deck card views, no. Uh-oh. Okay, and this is good, and now we can create a deck, basically, right? And we can also see it. Great, right? Hey! I can't sort, actually. I can't sort it. But yeah, I can create a deck. I guess there should be a limit, and yeah, that's basically it, right? So, okay, I'm gonna take a small break. Okay, 12 hours, this is good. We progressed a lot. Small break, I'll be right back. Boo. Just a second. Okay, I'm back, back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. So let's resume, shall we? Boop. So yeah, I can create my deck now. Hey! So the question is first for the sort. I wanna sort this. Sort. I guess the sort function is actually pretty simple. So let's do this. I should only have deck card views. What? Oh. Oh, right, yeah. Deck cards root, I guess. Yeah, it should be alright. I mean, that could be like a simple function, right? But yeah. It's in different modules too, so this is fine. Okay, and then how do I call this? Sort button, and so ready. To sort button. Okay, and it should be good. I should probably sort things automatically, but yeah. Oh, right. There's a sort button is there. Oh, here we go. And yeah, I mean, I'm probably going to... Should I sort? Ah, I do want to sort, really. Let's sort automatically. So for example, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. What if I try to take Wind Catalyst, so I have 2 times the same card, and this is fine. And like there, it is sorted basically, right? Wind Catalyst again is sorted. Okay, it's good, I suppose. Piercing. Shattering. Wait, these cards are not good, right? I shouldn't have them, right? Do I just have every card right now? I think I do. What's this? Wind. Okay, yeah, that's fine. 1, 2, yeah. Okay. Okay. I should put like a bigger separation, I feel like, between the two. I mean, I can hide the sort button actually. It's not really useful anymore. And I do have a separator, but not at the right place, do I? Well. Okay. So, wait, split? Wait, that's a split container? What? It's not supposed to be, right? Oh, vertical box. What? Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's probably just do this, really. And we are going to have another separator. I guess it's supposed to be a vertical separator, though. Yeah, why is it? Yeah, that's kind of weird. Separator. Actually, horizontal. Okay, yeah, this is fine. And this one is going to have big. I don't know. 25. It should be clear that these are different things. Why is there like a... Is that what a separator looks like? I guess it is. Flat. Boom. I don't know what I'm doing. Line. Yeah, maybe I can have like minus. And maybe it can look kind of great like that. Thickness. Oh, I can set this too. Yeah, but it looks kind of bad. Yeah, like the border. Yeah, it's a line. Let's do something flat. Maybe. Is it like transparent? No, it's not. Huh. I don't know how it's working at all. Color. It's not transparent, right? No, it's not. How is this? How is this working? I don't know. Anyways, let's just put something empty. And we're gonna run again. And let's see how it is. I mean, it's kind of alright. Right? I suppose. The sound effects, I need to add some sound effects. This is gonna be so bad. This is fine. No, this is not fine. Oh, okay. 1 or 2 days for the sound effects, maybe. Okay. Anyway, we have some stuff. Motivation. We have some stuff. So we just added the cards, right? So now what I should do is I'm checking if like the card is correct, right? Okay. The other thing I want to check for here is whether in the deck cards. So deck card view. If this card view it's supposed to be, maybe a dictionary is better for this actually. Oh, maybe I can use money to reroll. Well, actually, wait. But you can just decide to do the quest instead and restart the quest. So maybe you don't need money for that. Do I want the player to be able to use money to reroll or have better cards or better chances? make the deck or not, because it's the beginning, so they can just lose, and they can try to restart right away. That's like a cheat code. So maybe starting a quest should like be worth some money or something, I don't know. Hmm. Okay. So yeah, I guess. I mean, let's just have a dictionary. Deck cards to amount, or like deck card IDs to amount, something like this maybe. So this is a dictionary from a string name to an amount, right? And then we have this, I guess. I mean, I guess I can just put it here. This is fine too. And I want to increase, so get. Let me think. Let me do that afterwards, actually. Here. Get card view that's ID. Get ID, perfect. The default is 0. And amount. And now I can just do kind of the same. Like amount plus 1. And this is card ID. Okay, good. Good. Should be fine. So we increase the amount every time by 1. Every time we select this card, while we add a new card to the deck, let's say. Yeah, maybe I should not do this, because this is like creating a card. But I guess maybe I just want this. Okay. And then, like here, I want to get from the ID. Default is 0. And I want to verify if the amount is higher, well, it's less than 3, actually. Or 2 in some cases, maybe. Maybe it should depend on the data of the card. Yeah, maybe I can just do that, actually. Like, card view, ID, wait, what? ID? Yeah, there's no ID here. Get ID. Then we have this that get, well, data, right? Yeah, that shouldn't be a card view, that's the problem. But that's fine. Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Get deck limit, maybe? Deck limit. Is it a string? It's supposed to be an integer. Right, yeah. And I guess this is supposed to be a string name, actually. Get deck limit. So we have the limit. Limit by default is 3. So I can go here. I can do a dot get. And default is like 3. Yeah. Maybe 2 is fine. Yeah, maybe 2 would be better, actually. By default. Okay. Okay. So I mean, it should be good now. We can try. Oh, card view is not declared. Oh, it's card. What? I guess it's card data. Something like this, maybe. Okay, so I can still add my cards. There's no crush or anything like that. Quick. So quick attacks. Wait, I have a third one. What is supposed to be the limit, though? Oh, +1. Right, because... Wait, what? So what is amount 1, limit 2? Okay. What is... What is... Wait, I actually... Oh, local. Never mind, members. Deck card IDs to amount. So I have one that is like 3. What? How is it possible? Oh, it's returning true. Oh, that's so stupid. Okay, I get it. Yeah, that was kind of stupid of me. Okay, good. So it's this motivation 2. So I shouldn't have any motivation card again, except could not generate different cards. What do you mean? What do you mean? So it is getting here. Like every time, limit amount 1. Oh! If amount is higher or equal to the limit, yeah. Yeah, okay, I was very bad. I was very bad. Overclock, nah. So I have 2 overclocks. So, wait, I just saw one again. Could not generate different cards. Yeah. I mean, I already have a lot of cards, I guess. Fire control, same. Stretch. Yeah, something is kind of wrong, isn't it? So if I click here, three is higher than 2. Makes sense. So we try again. Oh, wait, but it's... No, it's not fine. I have 3 fire control. What? I have only one counter blow. One breath of mana and one shadow sting. Well, 0 shadow sting. So, no, actually 1. So yeah, I shouldn't have like 3 fire control. I mean, I guess it's because of the random, probably. Maybe I shouldn't rely on the random, actually. Can I just remove this and retry and see if it like loops forever or not? It's not supposed to for some time, actually it is now. So overclock 1, handcutter 1, ignite 1. So it shouldn't, there shouldn't be any problem. It should be possible technically. So this is good. What? 2. What's the idea? I guess the random is not always good. Yeah. Maybe I should just filter instead. Oh, right, I should just filter. Yeah, it should be good. So instead I'm going to have available cars equal... Oh, right, I already have this. Let's have like this dot filter. And this is card good suggestion. Card. Return. Something like this. Or maybe only after I... Yeah, no, never mind. This should be good. And then I pick a random one. So I can actually move that down. I can move that up, outside. Remove all of this. And it should be good, right? It should actually be good now. Shit! 0. And there is no card available. What do you mean? Oh, is it because I'm not resetting this? I push back. I do clear. I don't really get it, because there's like a lot of... Oh, right, no, never mind, I get it. Yeah, I get it. It's because it depends on the other cards that have been presented before, right? So, available cards, sub-available cards, maybe? And now I do something with this. Do I? Wait. Yeah, that's stupid. What am I doing? Yeah, that should be fine. That actually doesn't matter. Yeah, it should be good. So what's the deal? Okay. This is empty. Deck card views, I have one. Okay. Let's go in here. Let's go to 1/4 maybe. So I'm just going to continue for... Oh, never mind. Yeah, I mean, I guess this is fine. Win control. Okay. I have a few ones. This is fine. Like 2 every time. It's not that much. Okay. Let's remove this, I guess. Because I feel like the problem... Yeah, is really this one. 2, limit is 2. Hmm. Yeah. So I shouldn't show it, right? I should still have some available cards, though. I don't. What? What? Oh, I know. Do I? Deck card to amount. 1, 1, 1. Yeah, there are like a lot that are just 1, not 2. I don't understand. -1. Yeah, I mean, okay. Let's try again. Available. Oh. Click, click, click. Okay, amount 2, limit 2. Got it. Then we have deck card views, and we have deck card view, data. So the idea is a small shield boost. Okay. And this is 2, so this is normal. So then we continue. And we have this again with Fire Breath. Card ID, Fire Breath, right? But no. But no. Fire Breath is not even here. So it should be like 0. Oh! It's because I'm... Silly me. Yeah, I should... Okay, this is... Okay. I get it. I get it, I get it. I should really find the card data. Can I? I guess I... never mind. Yeah, this is just a dictionary, so let's just... Wait, this is really a string name. Hey, Trijam, I'd be lurking. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. What's happening? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So they're all string names. Yeah, maybe I want like a dictionary instead. That would be easier. So I wouldn't have to do this. Yeah, okay, that would be easier. But I could add like custom cards too. Like cards with custom cost and stuff. So let me think. Oh yeah, the cost, I just remembered. There's going to be some problem about that, but that's fine. So yeah, let's say this is like dictionary, an array of dictionary. So this is a dictionary. This is this directly. I can copy that though. I'm going to replace that by dictionary. This is not going to be good. This is fine. And then I have like get all suggestible cards. And this is supposed to return an array of dictionaries. So I'm going to have card IDs. And for each one, I'm going to have card data, or cards data maybe. I'm gonna resize to the size of, maybe not resize, like reserve. I don't have a reserve, okay. So for each ID in card IDs, I'm going to push back just this. And I'm gonna return cards data at the end. That's quite simple. Like card ID, I guess, is here. So now that I have this, I just have to be careful about this one. So this is like card data. So I'm just gonna take the ID from this. Yeah. And then I have this, and I'm just gonna take the limit from this instead. Not from the card I'm currently looping over, which would be bad. Right. Let's do a get, maybe? Yeah. It was... Yeah, okay. And yeah, default is 2. Let me think a little. I don't really like it. Can I just do this? And have like a static func gets card well, gets deck limit maybe? Yeah, this is kind of bad, but yeah. I should have like a helper or something. Deck limit, let's say. And get name, get ID. Get ID. Maybe something like this. Right, okay. This is bad, but this is fine. I guess the problem is like the dependence. Okay, this is fine, I'm just gonna remove this. Okay, okay, this is fine. Actually, the 2 is like a problem. Isn't it? Actually, never mind, it should be good. Yeah, let's say it's gonna be good. Let's say it's just gonna be good. Array, array! Right. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. Okay, and now there's a problem. And I still don't know why. So 1, 1, 2... So there should be like plenty of cards that we can still... That should still be available, right? Mm. Mm. And because we are not looping now, so I mean, there shouldn't be any problem. Let me try again. Got data. Yeah, this time it should be good. And oh, amount. Wait, what? Oh, it's only if... Oh, I'm so stupid. It's only if like the IDs are equal. Wait, oh, is it? Wait. Like, wait, what even is this? So I shouldn't have the ID be the same as another suggested card ID. But what is this? Wait, that's so stupid. So like I should get card ID. I guess I may be tired. It's like 1 a.m. I must. Yeah, because that was so stupid of me. I can't believe it. Yeah, I don't need a loop because I have the dictionary now. And I guess I don't know. I was trying to do both methods. So now I can get, and this is fine. And this is only... Like, we can check, and we have only 2 cards of the same type. Maximum. Right now. So this is fine. 2 max, right, again. And like, none of these cards are going to be the same here. The suggested cards. So... God. Yeah, everything is good. Really? Oh, hand cutter token. Wait, it's not supposed to be in my deck, though. Yeah, there's like a few cards that are not supposed to be in my deck. I don't really understand, but... Yeah, and now it's crashing because I don't have enough cards. But it's good because every card should be a duplicate if we check here. Right? It is. They are. So... Except hand cutter... Oh, yeah, almost. Yeah, that's fine. So we can make it like easier to read. Like this. Good. Yeah, this is like so good actually now. That looks great. And I just want to verify if this is empty, I break. And that's it. And now what? Suggest new cards. Should I like return a Boolean? Maybe I should. Just in case. Return false. And if it's a success, we return true. It's like a bit dirty, but that's fine. Is it? Not really, but yeah. Suggest new cards. I mean, I guess that's it, and we should have like a limit. And, well, if we can't unsuggest new cards, unfinished maybe? I don't know. Yeah, let's maybe not return a Boolean actually. And we're just gonna trigger on suggest new cards on empty suggestion on suggestion limit reached maybe. I'm just gonna emit and I'm gonna return. Good. And I'm also going to put a signal for that. And I'm going to connect to finish maybe. Yeah. Yeah, finish. This is quite simple, but this is fine. And I'm gonna add a counter, maybe not a counter. Deck card views, maybe. I can just have that here in click here. I sort, and if the size is higher than limit, so NB deck max cards maybe. If this is higher, then I just trigger this. So the max is going to be something like 10? Maybe not. 20? 20 seems like a lot. Maybe 15. 15 is... Size aspire deck size. Let me check what I have. 30 cards. 25. 25 is a lot. Yeah, let's put 15 at first. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. So 15 is that basically. Wait, this is supposed to... What? 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 Wait. It's supposed to be... Yeah. To be reached. Right? Yeah. But it's still adding new cards. What? Wait. Oh, it's not changing them. Okay. It's not clearing. Okay, I see. So I'm gonna clear suggested cards. This. I'm gonna call. I'm gonna do the same here. And I should have my final deck at the end. Okay, what is it? Oh, 16. Wait a second. This is not 15, this is 16. So if this is higher or equal. Wait, what? Yeah. This is it. Okay, now I should have 15 cards. Okay, perfect. So. What are we gonna have? Yeah, the token is really bad. We have overclock. We have motivation, so this is good. Yeah, we have bullshit. What sort of this? Ooh. Let me open the deck editor panel. And I mean, I guess I can see everything basically, right? That's not really what I want, but I guess Yeah. Anyways. Okay, this one is like pretty powerful. Yeah, I have like some cards that are not supposed to be here, but then I have draw, mana, overreach, I guess. But this is kind of bad. Shadow Sting, okay. Overclock. I don't have any. Wait, my deck is so bad. Let me try again. Overclock. Again. It's just the best. Draw. Maybe that was a bad idea. Fire Breath. Yeah, shield is a must-have. Really. Some mana, maybe. Motivation is good. This one is great. Wind. Let's go with mana. Maybe wind? Yeah, wind is fine. Because I only have one shield, right? One guard up, so I want this. Convert burn into deep burn. Let's draw. Shield. Maybe this again. Yeah, this one is kind of bad, but this is fine. It doesn't cost a lot. Then I have quick attacks. Wait, that's not what it's supposed to be. And maybe this. I mean, Tempest is like really good too, but yeah. Okay, and this is my final deck. So we have overclock. So we have enough shields. Small. Oh wait, that's not very good, but yeah. So we have a shield. We have wind that can help. Yeah, that doesn't help a lot. We have overclock. It's great. We have attack up magic that is kind of great too. Maybe it's not actually. Motivation is just so good. Yeah, motivation is just better. Well, overclock is good though. Like if we fuse, if we combine attack up magic with overclock, this is actually great. Yeah, okay, this is fine. Okay, yeah, okay, this is alright. We can play with that. I can play with that, probably. Okay. This is interesting. Yeah, okay, so I mean the next step is to save that into the player's deck, I guess, and then play a battle with it. So I'm just gonna... It should be pretty easy to do this. So what was it? Finish. I have this, and then I have player data. That's set cards. I have an array, and it should be an array of a dictionary, right? Can I just do this? Maybe, well, never mind. So set cards. Oh, okay, yeah. So I have the card views. So let's do this. Cards array dictionary. And for card view in this, I'm gonna have cards that push back that view, that view, that data. And then I'm just gonna set it. Okay, should be good. And now I should be able to play. Maybe. Probably. So... draw. Oh, that sucks. Everything sucks. Okay, let's go with Ignite, hoping I get a spell that steals... Wait, I don't have that, actually. You know what, let's restart. This one is kind of... Wait, this one is... Well, let's take this one. Overclock. Attack up. Let's bet on this. Fire control is pretty great, but mana for attack up magic is required. This again. Let's go with a mana deck. If we can. We need a shield. Motivation is great. Splash, I guess. Guard up, we get the shield. Motivation again. Ignite. Yeah, I can't put fire. Everything is just bad. Maybe he's stretching. And maybe this. And... I don't have a shield. This is pretty bad. Okay, so this is my deck. Okay. This should be saved. So now let's go to quests. Yeah, we have to actually test the generation too. So let's play a quest that is going to be generated. Nah, we have a split. Okay, we have a battle with enemies. Wait, this is not what I should have. This is not what I picked, right? Is it? No, it's not. Oh, because I didn't save it. Oh, right, my bad, my bad. Save player data. Okay, good. Yeah, sorry about this. Let me redo the construction of my deck. Wind, overclock, definitely. Motivation. Guard up, shield, wind the shield. Maybe this. Yes. Yeah, this is kind of bad, but this is fine. Ah! Everything's so bad. Because there are like a lot of cards that I don't want. I don't want them to be here. But for some reason it got saved as cards I've obtained. Okay, so we have those cards. So now let's try to play a quest. Okay. Okay, and I have like 15 cards in total, so this is the correct amount. 2 other clocks. So this is the card I've selected right now, so this is good. So let's try to win this game. I could draw, I could attack. Okay, let's put this. Max it. What the fuck? What? Wait. Oh, the card had a previous description. Okay, that was not the same card. Okay, why not? Let's maybe just draw. And I guess that's gonna be it. Let's attack this one. Okay. Everything sucks so bad. Let's just play this maybe. 3, 6. Yeah. Oof, damages. Ah, that hurts. That hurts so much. Yeah, I'm not gonna win this one. Motivation. Wait, I can actually do something with this. Oh, and I have the guard. Great. For later. So I can... Let's attack this one. Okay, I'm gonna die. Yeah, this one has like a lot of attack. So let's put this. And oh, Shadow Sting, perfect. Perfect. 6. Yeah, let's try to play well. 2, 2. Oh! It has a shield! Shit! Oh, I didn't notice the shield. Oh no. That was such a blunder. Okay, 1. Wind. Yeah, I don't have mana. I don't have mana. Those cards are useless. Ah, this is so bad. Let's focus this one. Oh, I can't with this, right. Let's put a guard, let's put... Oh, it has a shield, let's be careful. Let's draw. Motivation is good. Okay. So now I can add overclock. Okay. Oh, right. I should have focused this one, actually. It would be dead at this point. Let's put some wind, like, to protect ourselves. Yeah, I'm targeting the wrong one. Okay. Boom. Boom. Okay, 1. Okay, so yeah, I can actually win like one battle with this. With a deck created randomly with a lot of bad cards, let's say. So I mean, can I play a whole quest with that? If the characters die permanently, then maybe not permanently, but yeah. Yeah, that would be bad. Boom, boom. Okay. This is a victory. Wait, it doesn't work. Why is it not working? Oh! I'm so stupid. Yeah, I know why. This is because of player quests data, quest player data. Dot enter next room. Yeah, this is because of this. Yeah, it should be good. Should be good now. Great. Okay. Wait, let me wishlist. No, you have to wishlist on Cento on Steam. Yeah, I see a lot of people watching, so if you're interested in the game, then please give a little wishlist. The demo is gonna be free, so you know it's like costing nothing, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, anyway, it should be alright. Yeah, the problem is really that my cards are currently very bad. So let's go maybe to deck... what was it? What was it? Deck editor panel. And I want to be able to remove the cards from here. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, okay, so let's go here. Let's go show all cards. That should be false. And what happens? Allow dev state filter. What? Yeah, let's put a false. Let's put the false here, I suppose. Wait, is this one even used? Yeah, it is. Okay. And this... I mean, this doesn't really matter. Well, a little. But that's fine. And yeah, you have like all the cars, right? Like even whip. Yeah, you have like everything except token. Wait, I don't have token. But yeah, you have like way too many cars, which isn't good. Oh no. I want to be able to remove them, potentially. Like for myself. So I'm going to have like a... Allow... Let me put this. Allow permanent cards removal. Let's say this is gonna be true. Maybe I should just put that in the settings, actually. But yeah, okay. What I'm gonna do is on right click. All right. This, I guess. Maybe I can have like if is pressed. Do I have this? No, I don't. Wait, input. Oh, yeah, I do actually. Input that is key pressed. Shift. Like left shift. Or key shift, I guess. This is fine. And well, allow permanent card removal and this. Then I don't know, I'm gonna remove it somehow. Could I? I mean, I guess this is the only place I can... Yeah. Player data. Dots. Add permanent. Get set permanent. Maybe something like this. And then I have a save. But I guess the save is like at the end anyways. So yeah, it should be good. Just permanent cards. It's an array of string names actually. And I guess I want to remove erase this dot card view dot get ID, and this is it. That should be fine, right? And then I should return. So it's when I press shift. I have to remember that somehow. So these are all my cards I can add, I can remove. And these are the cards I've picked previously. This is great. So cancels, shift. Oh wait, it's removing, but it's not removing the view. So save. Shit. Let's try again. It should be good. Cancel. Never mind. Yeah, why is it not good? Player data. Ready. If true, then I push tab. Okay. Let's player data. I don't add everything, so this is good. And yeah, it should be kind of fine. So I guess I should just remove the, like this, the card view. Is it going to help? Wait. I want to save. When is it called? Deck card. So yeah, I'm not saving like permanent and save player data. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. So cancel, shift, right click, save. Let's do that again. Cancels. Shit! Why is it not working? I guess erase is not erasing anything actually. That's the only explanation I can find. Oh, because everything is a string, but this is a string name. Is it? Is it because of this? That would be kind of stupid, but that would make sense. ID is piercing boost. And we have piercing boost inside, but it wasn't erased. So there's definitely a problem with that. Card ID. This maybe? Could be fine. Boom. Whoa. That. Boom. Save. Okay, now it's working. So I'm gonna remove everything there. Q3. Oh. All card views. I have to remove this too, right? Q3, yeah. Am I Q3ing anything? Oh, I am. Yeah, a lot actually. Wait. So it's here. All card views. Card view, that's Q. Wait. So here, let's erase this one. And I guess we also have unlimited like card views deck. All. Yeah, okay, all is this one. Okay, got it. Permanent. It's the permanent card views. What is the card views for the permanent cards? Okay, so yeah, it's not crashing anymore. I can remove those things. I can save. And now I can go to my deck construction panel. Okay, now it's a bit more interesting, right? Tempest. Wait, is Tempest... Was it not just supposed to be like for AI? Wasn't it like AI only? Anyway. Yeah, let me actually check this. do hand cutter. So yeah, this is supposed to be AI only. And retaliation AI only. And Tempest. Okay, Tempest was here, so this is kind of fine. But this should be like only available to AIs, I think. So, okay, anyways. Let's go back to constructing the deck. $15 cards max. Okay, let's... Wind. Overclock. Motivation. +1 attack to all allies, so +3 attack in total. Draw, maybe? Yeah, mana is a must-have for this. Shadow. Guard. We need a shield. Everything is kind of bad, so let's go with this. Actually, if we have 2 mana cards, then we could get this one. Shadow, draw, overclock. I guess I want to put like some conditions for some cards, because right now some look like very bad. Let's take this. Guard. Perfect. Maybe a little shield. Okay, so this should be good. And with this deck I should like destroy enemies. So this is my first try, right? Okay, let's play. Wrong character first, that's fine. So. Mana. Okay, I can start with this. So 2. 1. This is a lot of damages. Then I'm probably going to... So I'm gonna see these cards again in some time together. So this is gonna be... Well, not together, I guess, but... Yeah. This is gonna be great still. I don't need to put mana right now. Okay, some wind, maybe some for protection. Shield. Let's attack this one. Maybe. Let's put some mana. And boom. Okay, the wind protected a little bit, I think. Not a lot, but a little bit, right? So now I can put another shield. Yeah, wait, this is a lot of damages, actually. So 5, 6, 7, okay. Okay. I can try this. Let me check my cards. Okay, so I'm gonna have Attack Up Magic. I want to save up on that. And I have Overclock too, so let's just go with this. Let's go with killing this one first. Oh. Wrong one. 5, 7, 9. So if I draw, I won't be able to do the combo. For now, let's just protect. No! I can't use it. Okay, this one is gonna die. I'm sorry about this. Okay, this one has a shield. Shit. Wait, I can attack with this one. And now I can attack this one, right? Because of the range. It's 2. So I should be able to do this, 9, overclock, draw, and this is like 18 damages. Perfect. And yeah, this is like a pretty easy win afterwards. I can guard a little. Oh, I can't combo, but... I mean, this is not... Let's do this, I guess. Yeah, that was useless. I should have just skipped. But yeah, I can win pretty easily now. Oh, wait. I didn't see the shield. Guard. Let's do this. This. Guard. Boom. That. Oh, perfect. I mean, it's a win, right? Oh, 10. Okay, let's wait a little. 10 again. Okay. Yeah, it's a win. Okay, is the next battle getting loaded correctly? Okay, it's a branch actually. Okay, and we have new enemies. Okay, and this is fine. Okay, this is interesting. I like playing the game myself. Well, I guess it's like pretty... The problem is that right now it might be pretty repetitive. But that's why I have to add new cards, right? And like ways to modify the deck and all of this. Let me think. Allow permanent cards removal. Do I want to... I mean, I don't really want to keep that, do I? Should be something from the project settings. Debug. Card foreground, what does that... Oh, right, the description, right. Yeah. Okay, debug, unsend to debug. So I'm gonna try to get this. And this is gonna be... What is it gonna be? Deck editor panel. Allow. This is going to be this. And this is like going to be is debug mode. Oh, yeah. Is, well, debug on, maybe. Dev mode, maybe. Yeah, dev mode is fine. Game module. Let's just do this too. Dev mode. I guess this should be false by default. Let's boo. Wait. Do. We have the game. We can Restart. No, not restart. Restart this, because we want it to get added to the project settings. Ice. 1.5. It's only been like 3 hours of streaming. It's been like so little. I completely lost my the time I had today. Debug. Dev mod, yeah. Yeah, this is a dev mod. So now I can get here. And this is like... Is dev mod enabled, maybe? Well, let's actually just set things like this, booleans, directly. Allow dev state filter. So yeah, AI only. What? Like a few of my cards should be AI only, but it doesn't seem to continue. Like token. Oh right, token. Oh right, wait. I have to remove this, right? Yeah, I have to remove this. Do I? Wait, what? Dev state. Okay. So if this is this and actually I guess if this is AI only. Type. Yeah, I don't think like this is actually useful, right? Token. Yeah. Yeah, it shouldn't be here, really. Token. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Tempest. Yeah, it should be like behind, that's fine. Tempest.json. It should be AI only. Should it? I mean, 10 is like so much though. Oh, it's 10 wind. Oh, right. Wait. Let me check this. Wait, do I have... Is it like displaying the cost in wind? It's not. Oh. Oh. That's a problem. Oh yeah, wind not found. That's a problem, right? Oh, that's why. Yeah, let me duplicate this. Because this is... Find data. Resource data ID. Where was... Find cost data, cost loader. Yeah, this is why. So then we have wind. Do we? Well, yeah, we do. Costs wind. We have wind.png. Okay. Perfect. This is gonna be perfect. That was so simple. Why did I not do that earlier? Okay, so we have the wind. Okay, now we can use wind for some stuff. Great. And yeah, okay, now this is, you know, good enough, let's say. Like, the requirements are big enough for the player. So it's good. Let me hotfix this. So hot fixed, wind cost added, tempest card now working. Oh. Yeah. Now now displays the correct cost. Does it? But is it removing? I haven't tested it yet though. I don't know if it actually works. But anyway, here it is. We have the wind. The wind with us. Wait, what? Whip, cancelled, token. Oh, unit, never mind. Yeah, this is normal. Okay, so yeah, this is fine. This is perfect. Some of the cards are just really bad. Maybe I should like add a button to reroll, potentially. A few times, like 3 times maximum. Something like that, right? Like maybe it removes like a few cards that you don't want at the end. I don't know. Yeah, maybe it would be better to remove cards you don't want at the end, now that I think about it. Because right now it's like pretty... Like, okay, you can reroll a few times, but I feel like the deck is still going to be kind of bad if you do that. So yeah. Anyway, this should be... I mean, this is good enough. This is working well. Let me check if I can add GD. I guess I can add this. Like this. And I guess this is it. So that was add random deck creation at the start of a quest. 2 deck construction panel added. And now I just have to integrate it. Right? I just have to integrate it. And yeah, potentially open it like depending on the quest. And like if it's a boss quest, then I want to open the deck editor instead to have like the deck you want. Maybe, kind of, right? So that should be kind of it. I mean, this is pretty good, right? We are progressing quite well. But I'm afraid we're not progressing fast enough. So at one point there's going to be the deadline and it's going to be, you know, complicated, let's say. So yeah. Let me... Oh. Okay. Just checking a few things. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go with this. Am I? What the f... What? Never mind. Okay. Okay, we can go with this. Okay, yeah, just gonna finish the stream right now. So thanks for watching, and let's raid, and let's go! Oh. So yeah, ready? Ready, everyone? Yeah, I have to add a few more cards. Next week is going to be a bit complicated. I don't remember when I have my holidays and how much time I'm gonna have for that. I don't feel like I'm gonna have a lot of time, but maybe a bit. Maybe just a little bit. So anyway, bye bye everyone. See ya. Boo.